If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello, welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I'm Larry here in Fort Worth, Texas, and I want to wish each and every one of you a hearty welcome. Hearty har har. So, this video is a special thank you video for a very special friend of mine. He's 6 years old. His name is Andrew. His grandparents, Frank and Kara Overman, came over the other day, and I'll be right back. And I'll surprise you. Get it all fixed up. And I am back. How's that, Mr. Announcer?
Very good.
Wasn't that tricky? I'm a magician! Look along! So, here's my mask. I wear a mask, yes. And Kara made me my Minion mask. I'm a big Minion fan, okay? So, I love my Minion mask. Yes, I do change out masks quite frequently. I have the Pinbug mask, and, what I've done was, okay, so we have to wear a mask right now, so now it's kind of cool because I can wear different designs and have a lot of fun doing it. But anyway, Andrew got me something, and so Frank and Carol came over yesterday afternoon. Frank stayed outside, but I was having a real rough day yesterday. I kind of shut down around 11 a.m. and I was shut down rest of the evening, all night long, in my room. The pain was crazy. I mean, like it's 1,000 plus. Of course, the depression sets in, so, I'm done. I'm toast bread, right? So, but I'm here still fighting. And I fight because I love my fountain pens. I love fountain pens. I love holding the pen in my hand. I don't care if it's 99 cents or 1,000 or 5,000. I just love fountain pens. That's who I am. So they come over, and Andrew wanted them to bring me this. He's 6 years old. He's going to be starting school this year, I believe. Here we go. Got me this bag. And who is that, Mr. Announcer?
That is the Baby Yoda.
Yay, Yoda rocks! Wow! So, let's see what's in it. Okay. Andrew, I hope you're watching, Andrew. This is all a thank you to you. Okay. Now, these are some cool stuff. And you can read that, Mr. Announcer, because I can't see it on top.
Okay, it is a Hot Wheels from the upcoming movie Minions: The Rise of Gru, and it is a truck of some sort.
And that's going to be really cool. I'm a big fan. I love the movies. I watch all of them. And you would like to give everybody's name back there.
Oh, who do we have? We have Stuart, Kevin, Otto, Bob, and Carl.
Isn't that a cool vehicle? Cool. And I love, who's this guy's name right there?
Gru.
He's a groovy dude. So that's one. Oh, now hold on. All right. Look at there. And this is a... Mr. Announcer?
Well, it doesn't say what it is.
It's a ball. It's a Minions. The Rise of what?
Gru.
There you go. That's what it is. Okay. And we're not done yet. And we have a... Mr. Announcer?
Oh, Pez dispenser.
Can wait to taste that right there. And let's see. We have... Oh, this is cool. Check it out.
Okay, that is Kevin, and he is holding a blaster, I think.
Oh, yeah. Okay, the blaster. I saw those at Walmart one day. Remember when we were looking at toys?
Yes.
Yeah, I even got to fire the blaster. Okay. And I got another of these cool balls that I'll have to open up later. I'm not done yet. And I'll be ready for him. Ta-da!
And this is Otto again.
Otto! I can dig that orange cap. We're not done. Oh, check this one out. He is so cool.
And this is Bob.
Hi, Bob. Oh, with the little teddy bear look.
Oh, yeah, he's got a bear.
Oh, little Bob. All right, here we go. Check this one out.
Stuart wearing... oh, no, he's holding pipes or something.
Yeah, he's on pipes. I'm trying to remember. What were they for? Okay. And last but not least, have some yummies. Look at this. Here they are. Let me get them if I can get them so you can see them good enough. There we go.
Lollipops.
Minion lollipops. Well, folks, that's going to do it today on my Minion haul. Again, thank you, Andrew. Until my next video, peace and love to all. Wash them hands. Be safe. Wear that mask. As always, don't text and drive. We're done. Bye-bye. You know what? I thought I better open one up to let you know what's inside because it's killing me because I need to know what's inside. Look at that beautiful eye. Open. Here we go. I will open this, Joel. Trust me. And look who that is. Wow. Alrighty. Peace.